Hi everybody, this is Michelle Medina Season and welcome to Glam and Fab Queen TV. Welcome again, and we are now at the moment when it is fall season once again. And now what I'm going to tell you is about the Dior fall collection. This is called the Power Look. They actually have two kinds of eyeshadow. One is called the Glorify eyeshadow and the other one is called Intensify eyeshadow. So I went to the shop last week and I tried both of them, but I found that this one would suit me better. And also I went on to get this apple green eyeliner soft pencil because it really suits my skin tone. As you can see, I'm wearing it right now. The other kind of shadow, or the 5 kinds of shadow palettes, it's called Glorify. It's more of the light lilac, lavender to bluish type of tone, and it didn't really match my skin. And when I looked at the Dior makeup artist, when he put it on the model, he used also the orange eyeliner, and I tried it on me, but it looked so pale on me, so I decided to get this too. Alright, the whole collection is actually called the Power Look collection for fall 2019 of Dior, and I loved it so much because it's fall but they're not using browns and grays now. They're using this kinds of colors, and it's really more alive. So this is how it looks like. This Intensify collection, you have this base color like very light silver. This is more of old rose pink. This is kind of mocha, and this is grayish blue. And of course they have the yellow gold. I'm gonna have an event tonight. It's gonna be a kind of formal event, and I said this is the perfect time to share it with you. Dior is very generous when it comes to their samples. Let me show you what they gave me. Okay, they gave me this Forever Perfect cushion and a sample of Dream Skin, and this one they call Global Age Defying Skincare for Face, and in here there are 7 sachets. Maybe it's good for 7 days for you to try it. We have, so enjoy fall. Fall is the best season because the leaves are changing the colors, and you can enjoy your pumpkin spice latte or drink, and you can prepare for the Halloween. So watch now the tutorial. So let's get started with the tutorial. So I've done my eyeshadows, I've done also the skincare, the base makeup, and also the Dior Forever foundation. This is the matte. So let's get started. We're starting with this. Oh, I have to put this in the center. This yellow gold. It brings so much light to the eye color. It's so nice. Colors are really highly pigmented. It's so easy to blend. So then I'm going to use darker tone for the contour. Okay, so I'm blending it. Since it's going to be an evening event for me today, I have to intensify this. Flat brush, I'm going to put some more of the yellow thing. And then this one too, the mocha colored. So blend it all again. And then this one for the brow bone. They're so creative that they know how to mix all these colors. They don't stick to one earth tone color because it's fall. That's one thing I like about this collection. Okay, I'm putting on the lashes now. So choose the right lashes for you. So clean up, clean up. Let it dry first before I add on the liquid liner. It's gonna be an evening affair. I have to put some highlighter. My favorite palette now for the cheek is NARS. I'll use this dark raspberry shade just because it's gonna be evening. Looks natural. Blend it all together. Goodie. You can use any mauve color lipstick. This is another Dior lipstick. It's matte. You can wear red if you want to, but I think it would look good in the dark plum because the eyeshadow is in that color family. That's my dog. They're Alaskan Malamutes and they're very gentle dogs. It's their playtime. Okay, now that you've seen the tutorial, I hope that you had an idea as to how to apply it. Maybe what you can do is try at the counter which one would suit you best. And then also you can message us if you have any questions. Hit below the like button if you haven't followed us. You can also follow us in our page. We will have a link below too. And send us your questions if you have any, and so that we can help you. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye.